Galaxy Watch 8. Facer returns with custom watch faces and more. Imagine the excitement of Galaxy Watch 8 owners who have been eagerly awaiting the return of Facer. The wait is finally over. If you've recently placed a pre-order for the Galaxy Watch 8 series, you're in for a treat. You can now dive into the world of custom watch faces once again, thanks to Facer's latest update. This update brings a wealth of new features and compatibility that will make your Galaxy Watch 8 experience even more personalized and enjoyable. But here's where it gets controversial. Google's new battery-saving rules have made older watch faces incompatible with Wear OS 5 and 6, causing many third-party face apps to disappear from these newer watches. However, Facer is back in the game with full support for Google's new watch face format, WFF. WFF is designed to keep battery use low by limiting how much animation and code can run on your watch face. That means some of the flashy effects you're used to might be a thing of the past, but your watch will last longer between charges. That's a trade-off that most Galaxy Watch owners will welcome with open arms. Facer's huge library has been updated with hundreds of thousands of WFF-compatible faces ready for the Galaxy Watch 8 and upcoming Pixel Watch 4. To help you pick wisely, each face now shows a power impact rating, so you know how much a battery it might use. Just a heads up. The Galaxy Watch 8 series pre-orders end today, so you have a few hours to take advantage of perks as well as our mystery box program. The update also brings some fun licensed watch faces from big franchises. These include SpongeBob SquarePants, Fallout, and Star Trek, with more on the horizon from Borderlands and Call of Duty. Plus, there's a new social feed inside the Facer app called Looks, where users share photos of their setups and link to official watch bands. If you're new to Facer, there's a discounted $14.99 annual subscription deal right now, down from $19.99. The bottom line is, of course, this update is a solid win for Galaxy Watch 8 owners who want to customize without draining the battery. And this is the part most people miss. The new WFF format might limit some of the flashy effects, but it ensures that your watch will last longer between charges. This trade-off is a win-win for most users. But what do you think? Is the trade-off worth it, or do you miss the flashy effects? Let us know in the comments below. Facer's big Wear OS 6 return. Revolutionizing Galaxy Watch 8 and Pixel Watch 4. Big news for smartwatch enthusiasts. Facer is making a triumphant comeback to the Wear OS ecosystem, perfectly timed for the Galaxy Watch 8 and Pixel Watch 4 launches. But here's where it gets controversial. This revival wasn't without its battles. Just a year ago, Facer faced a major roadblock when Wear OS 5 introduced mandatory support for its new watch face format, leaving the app incompatible with the latest smartwatches. Fast forward to today, and Facer has not only adapted but also expanded its offerings, proving that innovation can thrive even in the face of technical hurdles. Facer has long been the destination for watch face customization on Android. With hundreds of themes, from whimsical to professional, it's the gold standard for third-party watch faces. Collaborations with iconic brands like Star Trek, Dungeons & Dragons, and Barbie have turned Facer into a playground for creativity. But last year's shift to Wear OS 5's watch face format, a system requiring new technical standards for complications like weather or calendar updates, left Facer in limbo. Users couldn't access their favorite faces, and many were stuck with outdated designs. It sparked heated debates. Was the new format worth the disruption for developers and users alike? And this is the part most people miss. Facer's struggle wasn't just about compatibility. The app had to navigate restrictions, like forcing users to repurchase existing content through the Play Store and abandoning subscription models. Critics argued this felt like a step backward for customer loyalty. Thankfully, Facer didn't give up. At Google I/O, the company announced a partnership with Google to bring its app back to Wear OS 6, and now it's here. The update isn't just about fixing old problems, it's a full-scale upgrade. Battery life, a perennial pain point for smartwatch users, has seen significant improvements according to Facer's official announcement. A new power impact feature lets users toggle between high-detail watch faces with rich complications or switch to battery-saving modes, complete with a power rating system to highlight ultra-efficient designs. Think of it as a low-effort option for those who prioritize longevity over aesthetics. Another standout addition is Looks, Facer's mini social network. Imagine a platform where users can share their custom watch faces, browse others' creations, and instantly apply a design with a single tap. While it's not a replacement for Instagram, it's a clever way to foster community engagement and inspire creativity. Plus, Facer is doubling down on partnerships, with SpongeBob SquarePants themed faces already available. Could this mean more pop culture collaborations in the future? Only time will tell. To celebrate its return, Facer is offering a sweet deal for new premium subscribers. A year of access for just $15, a $5 discount on the first year, and $25 off renewals. For Wear OS 5 users, subscribing before September 30th via the website unlocks a promo code for 2 free watch faces on the Play Store. It's a win-win for both the company and its loyal fan base. Still, questions linger. Do you think users should be required to rebuy content they already own? Or is this a necessary trade-off for better compatibility? And what about the future of third-party app development on Wear OS? Will Google's new standards create more opportunities or gatekeep innovation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. After all, the smartwatch revolution isn't just about hardware. It's about the communities and creators who bring it to life. Add 9to5 Google to your Google newsfeed for more updates. FTC. We use income-earning affiliate links. More details here. Facer returns to Galaxy Watch 8. Wear OS 6 custom watch faces and new features explained. Imagine being a Galaxy Watch 8 owner, eager to customize your wearable with unique watch faces, only to find that many customization apps have been missing in action. That changes now. Facer, the popular watch face app, has officially returned to Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 lineup with a major update tailored for Wear OS 6, giving you back control over how your smartwatch looks. And here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about new designs. It's also about smarter performance and cross-platform compatibility. So, what exactly does this mean for users like you? As of July 24th, Facer became fully compatible with Wear OS 6, opening up a world of possibilities. For starters, the update introduces watch face format, WFF faces, which are optimized for better battery efficiency, a crucial feature for anyone who doesn't want their watch dying midday. These WFF faces also support ambient always-on display AOD modes, ensuring your screen remains both functional and stylish, even when idle. But there's more under the hood. One standout addition is Facer's Rosetta Stone developer tool. This game-changing innovation allows creators to design a single watch face that works seamlessly across multiple platforms, including Wear OS devices and Apple Watches. If you're wondering why this matters, think about it this way. Instead of designing separate watch faces for different ecosystems, developers can now focus their efforts on creating one high-quality option that appeals to a broader audience. Expect this to lead to a wider variety of creative and innovative designs coming your way soon. And this is the part most people miss. Facer isn't stopping at functionality, it's adding personality too. With the introduction of a new social section called Looks, users can showcase their custom watch styles by sharing photos of their uniquely designed watches. It's like Instagram, but specifically for watch enthusiasts. This adds a fun, community-driven layer to the app, letting you draw inspiration from others or show off your own creativity. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. While Facer's return is exciting, its current selection of WFF-compatible faces is still somewhat limited compared to the vast libraries available that for older Wear OS models. Most of these faces are either paid or premium, meaning free auctions are few and far between. However, as part of a limited-time launch promotion tied to the Wear OS 6 update, Facer is offering discounted premium memberships. For $14.99 per year or $2.99 per month, If you're serious about personalizing your Galaxy Watch 8, this might be worth considering. For those who love branded content, Facer already boasts collaborations with some of the biggest names around. Think Fallout, Star Trek, Barbie, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Smurfs, Garfield, Dungeons & Dragons, Tetris, Call of Duty, NASA, Hot Wheels, and countless other iconic franchises. While non-branded options remain sparse, the inclusion of these familiar themes ensures there's something for everyone, at least for fans of pop culture. What's particularly fascinating is how Samsung, despite dominating our recent comparison of Wear OS watch faces against competitors like Google's Pixel Watch series, continues to benefit from third-party integrations. Having Facer on board not only enhances the Galaxy Watch 8 experience, but also sets the stage for future Wear OS 6 devices, such as the anticipated Pixel Watch 4. Of course, Facer isn't alone in this space. Other notable players like Watchmaker, Timeflake, Puji, and Recreative are also working on Wear OS 6 compatibility. How will they stack up against Facer? Will they bring fresh ideas, simply replicate what's already out there? These questions linger, sparking debate among tech enthusiasts. Before wrapping up, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Do you believe third-party apps like Facer truly enhance the smartwatch ecosystem? Or do they clutter it with unnecessary distractions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take.